How to see Steam password while logged in. So if you want to see the Steam password while logged in, then what you need to do is open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then search for Steam. Once you've searched, you can go for Welcome to Steam, which is on the first search. And here make sure to log into your account. Go for the login, which is on the upper right, and you need to log into your account. And once you're logged into your Steam, now you can simply go for your profile, which is on the upper right, and here you can go for account details. And under account details, now here you will have all of the details of your account, right? So what you need to do is simply go for the account security and then click on change my password. And now you can simply choose your email account to get the verification code, or if you don't have access to the email, then choose the second option. But if you have access, choose the first, and then you need to simply enter the code which you have received to your email address. And once you enter the code, now it will take you to change my password page. You need to simply enter your new password and then you need to re-enter your new password. And once you've done that, you can simply go for change password. And once you click on change password, your password will be changed on your Steam. And you'll be able to see your password, or you'll be able to know your password. So that's it. That's how you can see your Steam password while logged in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.